Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have started the poem The Children's Song. This beautiful poem was beautifully written by Joseph Rudyard Kipling. In this poem, children are praying to God so that they want to serve their motherland. So, students, up to here, up to worthless sacrifice, we have read. Now, today, teach us to look in all our ends. From this stanza, we are going to start. Teach us to look in all our ends on thee for judge and not our friends. Thee is God, that we with thee may walk uncawed by fear or favor of the crowd. Beautiful stanza. It tells that children are praying to God. They are saying, God, please teach us to care for ourselves in all the ways and direction. In all our end means in all the ways and directions. You are the judge, on thee for judge. You are the judge of our actions. Our friends are not the judge of our actions. Sometimes when you do something, your friends criticize you. Whether you're right or wrong, you stop doing that thing because you are influenced by your friends. So it is wrong, because God is the judge of our actions. Our friends are not the judge of our actions. That we with thee may walk uncowed. So children are praying, God, help us to grow strong, brave, so that we can walk with you unafraid. We can walk unafraid. We must not have a fear. We must not have we must not be afraid of the crowd. That crowd is favoring us or not. हम अकेले भी चल पाएं. Alone we can do something. God, please give us strength and make us unafraid of all the actions of the crowd. If the crowd is not favoring us, still we should not leave the path of truth. Teach us the strength that cannot seek by deed or thought to hurt the weak. So God, please teach us to be strong enough. Make our doings and our thoughts so strong that we must not hurt the weak. That under thee we must possess man's strength to comfort man's distress. Our happiness is dependent on you, but just make us strong. And under your guidance we must gain all the strength so that we can help the weak. Teach us delight in simple things and mirth that has no bitter springs. Forgiveness free of evil done. And love to all men neath the sun. Now children are praying to God that please God, teach us to have happiness. Teach us to have happiness in small things and mirth that has no bitter springs. And our happiness must not have any bitter thought. Means our happiness should not come out of someone's sadness, someone's problems. Forgiveness free of evil done. Give us strength to forgive. The evil. And love to all men neath the sun. And God give us strength so that we can love all the human beings that are beneath this sun. Land of our birth, our faith, our pride, for whose dear sake our fathers died. O motherland, we pledge to thee, head, heart, and hand through the years to be. Here the children are praising their land of birth. In motherland, they grow to be wise. They grow to be brave and wise. They learn the discipline, religion, traditions, and faith. In the motherland only they learn these things. Motherland is the pride of all children. For her, many of their ancestors have died. and the motherland is protecting them, and their ancestors died in protecting that motherland from foreign invaders. And so they promise with all their heart hands to serve to serve their motherland. Here the children are taking pledge that they are going to serve the motherland with all their head, heart and hand, with all their mind, with all their heart and with all their strength. They are going to serve their motherland. It was a beautiful written poem. It is this poem, is showing the compassion of the poet towards the motherland, and we all should be compassionate towards our motherland, because where we are living, our motherland is giving all the things to us. That is only the motherland who is serving us, and one day we should pay it, we should return it by serving the motherland and not leaving the motherland for any other foreign land. So students, this is the explanation of the poem. You are supposed to revise the poem in a thorough manner. What you are supposed to do when you are revising the poem, write down what you are getting in your book. Only write down. So thank you students, have a nice day. In the next video we will take up the exercise work.